Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the massive shifts happening right now in the global construction market. If you're an investor, builder, or just someone with a stake in the game, stop everything. This could make or break your next big move. Let's kick off with the United States, where construction is defying the odds. Construction spending? A jaw-dropping $219 trillion by the end of 2024. That's a 4.3% jump from last year. But here's the kicker. Housing affordability is at rock bottom thanks to mortgage rates soaring beyond 7%. What does that mean? Renovation and reconstruction are emerging as unexpected stars. Forget new builds, investors, watch the remodeling space like a hawk. But don't ignore the looming labor crisis. The industry needs nearly 500,000 fresh workers by 2025. Skilled labor is becoming a goldmine, and the companies investing in workforce training right now, they're playing the long game. Now let's zoom across the pond to Europe. Mixed vibes here, I won't lie. Yes, inflation and political uncertainty are throwing some cold water on consumer confidence. But don't sleep on the UK. Their construction sector is defying gravity. PMI index soaring above 50 means sustained growth, especially in commercial projects. Smart money here is flowing into tech-driven construction. Think modular construction and high-efficiency designs. And for the rest of Europe, green building investments could be a saving grace as climate regulations tighten. But wait until you hear about South Korea. This market is ripe for disruption. Yes, workforce numbers are shrinking, with a 76,000-strong monthly drop in construction workers by 2025. The worst in 4 years, but Korea's global market ambitions shine brighter than ever. The K-Grid Alliance is their ticket to dominate the energy infrastructure scene. With AI, data centers, and renewable energy demand skyrocketing globally, trust me, keeping an eye on Korean firms could unlock serious returns. Swing over to China, and we're talking about a delicate balancing act. Growth is slowing. GDP forecasts for 2025 are down to 4.5% from this year's 5%. That's not the exciting part. What is exciting? Signs of recovery in construction activity, driven by logistics demand, like containerboard for packaging and industrial rebuilds. But don't be too quick to celebrate. The real estate sector remains their Achilles heel. If Beijing convinces the global markets they're finally stabilizing that sector, the floodgates for investment could swing wide open. That's a big if, so tread carefully. And last but far from least, Japan. The land of the rising sun is giving us a glimpse of the future. Demand for smart homes and automated living spaces is exploding. That's not just a trend, folks. It's an investor's paradise for tech-driven residential innovation. Combine this with their push for sustainable buildings and government incentives, and you've got a perfect storm for profit. But here's the catch. Housing starts are down for 8 straight months. That signals a shift in demand from quantity to quality. Think long-term plays in high-value, energy-efficient investments. So, what's the global takeaway? This industry is at a crossroads. The winners? They'll be those who bet on sustainability, tech-savvy innovation, and workforce development. Markets are polarized, but opportunities are glaringly obvious for those who act fast. Renovation, modular builds, green infrastructure, this is where your money should be working overtime. All right, investors, that's a wrap for today. Keep your eyes sharp, your wallets ready, and don't just follow the trends, lead them. Catch you next time with more breaking insights to reshape your strategies. Buckle up, this ride's only just getting started.